Thanks to this breakfast, I was able to lose 30 kilos. One of the major problems facing the world population today is obesity. Countries like China have already developed tactics to deal with it. In fact, at present, you can count the obese Chinese that exist. In addition to being an aesthetic problem, obesity is a major health problem. That is why the leaders of nations are investigating an effective method of combating it. For many, changing their diet is a real challenge. But that does not have to be your problem. What is recommended in this case is to gradually abandon bad eating habits. So, make small daily goals that you can accomplish. That way you will replace the junk food little by little for healthier food. Something that can also help you is a natural nutritional supplement like the one we will introduce you. This will help you burn fat and lose weight in just 30 days. All you have to do is prepare it for breakfast and ingest it every morning. So pay attention to the following instructions so you know how to prepare it. What we will need: low-fat or kefir yogurt, 300 milliliters. Oat flakes, 2 tablespoons. Flaxseed, 1 tablespoon. Fleshy plums, 7 units. Cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon. Preparation and use: this beating is recommended to prepare it in the evenings, thus it will be ready to be consumed in the morning. To begin, we must sprinkle some boiling water on the dried plums. We do this to soften the plums. Then cover the plums and let stand for 10 minutes. Exhausted this time, we will throw the oats, ground flaxseed, yogurt and the cocoa powder in a separate container. Then cut the plums into small pieces. If necessary, we will put them in a blender to grind the plums well. Then we will mix the plums with the other ingredients. Finally, empty the beet into another container and store in the refrigerator. The next day, we will have breakfast with this rich and energetic beet. It will not only help us complete our day.